People in there partying, drinking. I remember those days. No thank you, baby. Sober 11 years. Praise God. Oh, 7:30 a.m. What's up, everybody? Glad you stopped by for a few minutes for this daily vlog. I'm not awake yet, that is for sure. I'm out on the porch, dogs are out doing their business, having a little coffee with this little tiny splash of cream. Very good. Oh yeah, we're not having the morning meeting today because it's Tuesday, and I'm gonna miss it. We're doing the morning meetings from Wednesday to Sunday now, so we'll be doing them on the weekends. So I hope to see some of you there who couldn't make it during the weekdays, and yeah, that'll be cool. That's one upside to it. But Monday, Tuesdays, we're not going to be doing the morning meetings. I know I said that before. I just want to get the message out to everybody. So as always, I woke up not hungry. My first meal is usually at lunch, and I got a rotisserie chicken that I got from Food Line. You know, kind you get pre-prepared. You know, they have them at Costco and Sam's Club. But it was decent and definitely bland. Needed a lot of salt. But I got the second half for lunch, and then Cassie and I are going to our daughter's, hang out with our baby granddaughter. And I probably won't eat over there. I'll wait till we get back home and eat dinner. Hope you guys are doing great. And I'll see you at lunch. All right, here's that rotisserie chicken. Plus, a little bonus right here. Cassie didn't eat 2 of her chicken wings that we made last night. If you guys missed yesterday's episode, we show you how to make this buffalo sauce. So good. Just got to pull this apart, throw it on a plate, and then nuke it. Check out the new LED light I installed the other day. The other one should be arriving today, and we're going to replace this thing. It's pretty, but man, the light sucks. All right, it's lunch. There it is. That's a lot of meat. That's well over a pound. Don't want to let those leftovers go to waste, right? First, one of the wings from last night. Oh, these were so good. I was so full I couldn't finish Cassie's extra 2. In one of our members' live streams, I asked everybody, what's your favorite, drums or flats? Let me know down in the comments what you prefer, guys. I like a mix, but I think I like flats just a little more. Perfectly microwaved. Very good. You guys know, after my son's wedding at the end of September, you know, I was off diet for 5 days. Came back, and something like this on day 1, back on the carnivore. Damn, Larry, wipe your mouth. I'm sitting here editing this video, and I'm staring at this chunk of food on my bottom lip. Freaking disgusting. I can't stop looking at it, so I'm sure you're staring at it too. It just would have looked horrible. It wouldn't have looked good. And if you're in that situation right now where you're trying to get back on track and meat just, come on, man, I don't want this. I'm telling you, it won't take long and everything will start tasting delicious. You just got to power through it. And if you can, for the first week, eat meats that you really enjoy. Here's the wing off the rotisserie chicken. See how that compares. Good. Didn't have that sauce we made though. Yeah, I really wanted to eat before I went to Holly's, just so I'm nice and full, and this will do the trick for sure. You know, we'll stay 4 or 5 hours, and this evening I'm going to head home. Cass is actually going to stay there and then go to work in the morning. It's closer to her work. So I'll be rolling solo tonight, and hey, I'll be vlogging my dinner to keep me accountable, right? Yeah, and for those of you who enjoy these daily vlogs, it feels good to be doing them again. I've heard from so many of you, probably more people get something out of these as far as, you know, helping keep you on track than people do from the live streams. It's a win-win. It keeps me on track and helps some of you out. That'll work. And show the world what the carnivore diet can do, right? I polished all that off. There's a bunch of bones and scraps there. It's very good. And one more thing, what is this commercial for Costco dog biscuits? Cassie was in the room. She would never let that be in the shot. Oh man. Sorry, Mo. Did the trick. That rotisserie chicken was $8 at Food Lion. I got 2 meals out of it. Not bad. Right? There's hope for an affordable carnivore diet. All right, over here visiting the fam, the little Charlotte. They got Little Bear on the TV. Cassie's preparing dinner, and I got a beef and cheese little snack in case I get hungry. But that rotisserie chicken should hold me over. Anyway, Cassie's being weird. She didn't want to get on camera. So I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, stopped and picked up a little dinner because I don't feel like cooking. Let me show you this. Oh yeah, people in there partying, drinking. I remember those days. No thank you, baby. Sober 11 years. Praise God. All right, back home, the place I stopped was Wing Nuts. I got 12 hot buffalo wings. These have it 0 carbs, and they're baked. It was a good deal. 12 wings for 12 bucks, which I can remember back in the day when wings at a place like that were like 25 cents a piece, you know. But nowadays, that's a pretty good deal. On my way home from our daughters, I called in the order. When I got there, I went in to pick it up. The place was slammed. And I was talking to the waitress. She went back to get my order, and this lady at the bar was just sloshed hammered. Oh my gosh. It brought back memories, you know, back when that was me, you know, sitting at a bar. Cassie and I would go to a concert or wherever, just be hammered. But yeah, she was like sloppy drunk, you know. It's like, all right, lady. Get away from me. Nah, but I was cool there. But anyway, let's ooh, there we go, huh? Yeah. If you've never tried wing nuts, definitely give them a shot if they're in your area. Anyway, guys, this is normally when I would read a couple of our watching every day comments, but it's past 9 o'clock right now. So I'm gonna finish eating. I got to get this edited and out to you guys by tomorrow, plus set up the morning meeting. And I'm not going to get to any comments today. So please, any questions or any kind of comment you want to leave, watching every day, WED, and then, you know, lay it out there, put them down, and tomorrow I'll include them in the next day's vlog. I just don't have time today. So anyway, really appreciate you guys stopping by. These daily vlogs are just an extra level of protection for me. And I love you guys. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Remember, no sugar, no carbs, and no cheating. Later.